What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive powerful uh, um, software engineering concept right here on this channel and on this playlist. In this video we are going to look at making HTTP requests in Python. So Python's request library has become the standard for HTTP communication, providing a simple way to interact with web services and APIs. This powerful tool makes it easy to fetch data, automate online tasks, and integrate with web platforms. With an intuitive API, request supports all HTTP methods, including the get, post, put, delete, while elegantly handling headers, parameters, authentication, and response processing. So here are some blocks of code with examples where the request library makes HTTP communication straightforward. After installation with pip install requests, you can start making requests with just few lines of code. Okay, so if you have VS Code, you can try out this code inside, okay, to see how it works and how it behaves. Pause the video, try this out for yourself, and then see how the request library actually handles complex operations like file uploads, cookies, sessions, and timeouts with minimal code. It automatically decodes responses and provides convenient methods to work with JSON, headers, and also authentication. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching making HTTP requests with Python. If you have any question, do what, put it in the comment section and we will assist you.